Sup guys, so in this video I'm going to address a part that I may have did vaguely in my previous videos but feel like I missed to do it precisely, defining the truthy and falsy values. Okay, so what are truthy values? Any expression or an entity, any expression or an entity that gets evaluated to a Boolean true. Precisely, that is what called as, such values are called as truthy values. Okay, right. Like, for example, what do we have? Like the true, not false, or any comparison that gets evaluated to a true. So, and anything that's opposite to falsy values are truthy values. We are going to precisely look into some examples of truthy values in the code. Okay, yes, but until then, let's also learn falsy values and then get to code. Yes, so now, what are falsy values? Any expression or an entity that gets evaluated to a false or a not true are called as falsy values. Okay, now let's get to code and then see what kind of values they are. Yes, so these are some examples of truthy values. Alright, so our example 1, true is a truthy value, not false is a falsy value, not 0, okay, 1, because 0 is a falsy value I have already mentioned with you earlier. So anything other than 0 including a not 0, because 0 is a false and not false is true. All right, right, these are all kinds of 1 is greater than 0, it is true, right? So it is a truthy value. 0 is less than 1, again truthy value. 1 is less than 0, not 1 is less than 0. 1 is less than 0 is false, not 1 is less than 0 is true again. And here are some examples of falsy values. We have false, not true, not 1, because 1 is true, right? Like anything other than 0 is a true. So not true is false again. 0 is false. Anything other than 0, anything other than none is also true. So not Gautam is again false. A null string is false. 1 greater than 0, true. So not 1 greater than 0 is false. These are all the examples. Okay, so when we run this code, these statements, what I'll do is, so for each example, to make sure that, or to understand which examples are getting executed, I am giving numbering for them. Just observe, since for falsy values each and every expression near the if is going to be evaluated to false. Now just think what should be happening with these if statements. Yes. All right. So 1 to 9, if at all any statements getting executed, they are getting executed because the expressions with the if are getting evaluated to true. If 10 to 18 not, nothing gets printed, then it is because the expression with the if is getting evaluated to a false. All right. So without any further ado, let's open our yes. Yes, so let's run our code. Truthy and falsy values.py. Yep, only the 1 to 9 expressions are getting you executed and printing us the out, giving us the output. So understand it, any expression or an entity or what do you say, or a value that gets evaluated to a true is a truthy value. Anything but truthy values are falsy values. All right. Yes, that is it for this video. Thank you.